snowing out here. Taking apart the torsion bars for the 6-inch lift on this truck, this duramax. All the front control arms got taken off, brakes disconnected, linkages. The lower control arm is going to be taken off. The torsion keys taken out. The torsion bars have to be pulled out as well. They're seized up. They're going to have to be heated up and pried out. And the front skid plate and the cross member has to be dropped out, and the front differential and these axles taken off. Exhaust is taken off for straight pipe exhaust. And then put all the new parts in. There's the old control, the hubs, where the control arms go into. The bearings and hubs have to be swapped to the new ones here. Some of the parts.